Elangeni, coming from a root word ilanga, which means the sun.
Your contributions towards the advancement of Elangeni infrastructure will forever be appreciated. We value our donors, we value all of you present here, and we value the community at large.
The impact of your contribution will resonate far beyond this evening, empowering countless young South Africans with the skills, knowledge, and opportunities they need to succeed. That is the true measure of a legacy investment.
Through our excitement with education, we have also a project we called the DTEIP, which is the District Technology and Education Improvement Project, which is aimed at bringing equity for students and children in poor performing school for those two in well performing school, from those who are in rural areas to those who are in urban areas, by ensuring that through technology, every learner in every classroom can get the same quality of education that those who are sitting in better endowed environments are also receiving.
As the DPF of the organization, is very, very much important to make sure that we invest in those occupations in high demand, because we will know if we do that, our college will operate 24/7.
Dr. Kondo has a rich professional background in the legal, academic, and political spheres.
Tonight, ladies and gentlemen, is not just a celebration. It is a reflection of what is possible when a community rallies behind education. It is also a reaffirmation that skills development is a shared responsibility, one that requires us to build bridges between government, colleges, industries, and communities.
This topic of transforming the skills and forging partnership with industries to ensure that we invest to our youth, and also we make sure that our economy is growing.
1,600. Going once, going twice. Thanks, Dr. Duki. Thank you so much. The first one is gone for 1,600.
We are pledging 200,000 towards the setting up of that boardroom. We are talking about the audio-visual, all the setup in terms of the electronic that is actually going to be installed in the boardroom.
We did buy artwork worth of 4.1. We would like to pledge 5.9, so that overall tonight it's around 10,000. So we would happily pledge 5.9 thousand.
I want to say that we appreciate all of you. As the country moves to occupational programs, we are proud to say we are equal to the challenge with the occupational programs. But we can only do that with the assistance of your partnership.